So today I have a pair of fake Travis Scott ones, and because I bought these to compare to the real things and just see what these look like in person, I also wanted to know what they look like inside. And mainly I want to know, is there an air unit in this shoe or not? It's one of the proprietary things that Nike has that I don't know how the fake places would actually replicate or not. I'm sure that they have ways to do it, obviously, because they can do everything else to this shoe that make it look pretty darn close to the real thing. But I wanted to go ahead and cut these in half and see what was in here and just see, is there an air unit inside of the fake Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s? And we will find out in this video. Just a disclaimer though, don't try this at home, obviously. You got to be careful. These saw things are dangerous and I wouldn't want to hurt myself and I wouldn't want you guys to hurt yourselves as well. All right, so as you can see, the final results of the shoe being cut open. I just did it this way since I don't have the fancy style to cut it straight in half this way. But this worked out just the same. I did take out the air unit, so I wanted to see if it was actually removable. And you can see there's a big actual empty hole in the middle of the midsole where this little guy lives. So this is where the air unit's supposed to be, and it's encased in a foam material, but it looks like it could be like a real air unit, but I don't think this is exactly the way the real air units are. I have a real pair that's like $25 that I got from the Nike outlets that I can cut up, but I didn't have enough time, unfortunately, for this video. But I want to see how the real one looks comparison to this. So I'm pretty sure this is how you can know if your pair is real or fake. It's by opening them up and seeing if the air unit is real. Obviously, people aren't going to want to do that, and I don't think people honestly care. Because this is an Air Jordan 1 shoe, though, I don't think that the comfort is really a basis for why people would buy the shoe, nor is the technology. So it could have like literally nothing in here. It could just be a rubber outsole, and I don't think people are going to care. So I get that the air unit is very dated, but I just wanted to point out that it is a little bit different and definitely fake in the fake pair, which is kind of what we assumed from the beginning. There is some sort of air in here, but again, it's just really, really cheap plastic inside this cheap midsole. But it was kind of crazy to cut these things open and see what these looked like inside of them. I know a lot of people were going to be pissed because I cut these open and I could have donated them. I could have done so many different things with these shoes. But honestly, when I buy these fake shoes out there, it's a sunk cost for me no matter which way I look at it. It's not a shoe that I'm going to wear. It's not a shoe that I'm going to sell. This one cost me $190 to buy. So it was, for the fake pair, it cost me that much money. At this point, I could do a video on me destroying it and showing you guys what's inside, just out of curiosity, because honestly, these fakes have gotten so crazy good that it's hard to tell the difference from the fakes and the real ones. And I figured, why not check on the inside and see how true to the original ones they are. So hopefully it's not going to trigger too many people because I cut them in half. But again, at the end of the day, I'm not selling them. I could give them away, but I'd rather honestly give away other shoes.
Hold on. What kind of background would you like right here?
Sure.
Ready? Set. Hold on, I gotta change this from 4K or kill the battery. Kristen, do you want to tape it?
I am.
You want a knife or scissors? This guy.
You gotta read the letter inside the box.
Happy birthday, Charlie. This is Marcel. There's Carmen. Birthday present. They finish. Stinks if you want. Whoa, that's kicked.
What did he get you?
Whoa. Oh,
You like them?
yeah.
You like them?
That's directly from him.
It's directly
They're
from
from him.
Aesthetics. He personally picked those out for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And to give away a fake pair of shoes, it's just not really something that I want to have other people out there rocking the fakes. Anyways, it is what it is, though. What do you guys think about the Travis Scott ones and the fake joints right here? I do have a couple other ones that I will be showing you guys. I have a fake pair of shattered backboard ones. I also have a fake pair of Union ones in the black colorway. So leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know which one you guys would rather see, the shattered backboards or the Union ones. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and that is a look at the Travis Scott ones cut in half. Have a good rest of the day, and we will catch you guys for some more videos very soon. Peace, guys.